Hello, I'm Zara. Welcome to Westminster Abbey. Have you ever thought about the stars in the night sky? This beautiful church is full of stars. And not just the famous faces who are buried and remembered here. Scientist Corner remembers people who have studied space and the night sky. And in the cloisters, there is a memorial to someone who gave their name to a comet, which has inspired today's craft. We are making shooting stars. So you will need paper, a pen or a pencil, scissors, a stick, we've used a lolly stick, trimmings and some glue. First, draw a star, cut it out, attach some trimmings to the back of the star to trail behind. Glue the stick on the back, decorate the front of your star. We've used one jewel. Help your star shoot around as you explore your world. We'd love to see your stars and you can share them using #WabbyFun. To learn more about scientists, you can visit our A to Z of Westminster Abbey and check out S is for Scientist Corner. To donate £5 to the Abbey, you can text Abbey to 70025. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care. Bye-bye.